How to fix Discord crashing error when streaming. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix Discord crashing when streaming. Now, I'm on the official support.discord.com page here, and I've reviewed it, and people have similar problems and they have tried and fixed. So here you can read new to Discord and was experiencing the same issues. So here's what worked. Now you can right click anywhere on your desktop and select NVIDIA control panel. Once you do so, within the manage 3D settings page, select program settings. Then select add and find Discord and select it. Then select the second drop down menu and select high performance NVIDIA processor. Start up or restart Discord and the problem should be fixed. Now if this doesn't help, on my own opinion, this is how I fixed my issue. You can try disabling hardware acceleration in Discord settings, updating graphics driver, or uninstalling Sonic Radar or Sonic Studio 3. You can also try clearing Discord's cache or reinstalling the app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.